Hey guys, it's your boy Do It With Dipstick. Oh wait, shit, wrong YouTuber.
Love you, Dan.
So we got Lauren's new wheels in, buddy of ours and sponsor Intriket. Custom built the wheels for us and got them sent over. So we're gonna get them dropped off today to get them mounted and balanced. We're just gonna swap the tires and sensors right over to the new wheels. These things are beautiful, man. We went with a transparent gray and transparent black, which are essentially like a brushed. So this has kind of like a, see there, we get the brush texture to it. Beautiful finish on these. These things came out amazing. Basically spec'd them at almost the same size as what her current wheels are, so they're 20 by 11s. And then I did the offsets to basically match what the spacers were doing, so they should just be a direct swap, removing the spacers and getting them put on the car. Well, as you can see, it's raining again. But yeah, car's up in the air, and we'll get the wheels swapped and put on by tonight. So picked up the tires, had dropped them off at Silence Tire, which is another one of our sponsors. And they had them done in like 33 minutes. So by the time I made it to where I was going, they had called me and said they were ready. These things look great. Can't wait to get them on the car.